This spotlight was Wired Magazine's Gear of the Year, and for good reason. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the Solar Centre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Albany Premium Solar Spotlight. Let's get into it. The Albany Spotlight is an impressive 120 lumens, measuring at 63mm wide and 52mm tall. This doesn't include the height of the stand. The light itself has a contemporary stainless steel finish and features energy-saving technology and is also IP67 waterproof. This product comes in two parts, the solar panel and the light. Let's unbox the light. So inside the box we have the stake, the Allen keys and screws, and the light itself. Now let's unbox the leaf solar panel. Inside this box we have the wall mount and screws, the ball joint and screw cap, the USB cable, and of course the panel itself, all nicely wrapped up. So what you need to do to set this panel up is attach the ball joint to the socket, then choose whether you want to wall mount your solar panel or stake it into soft ground. You need to attach the suitable parts to the ball joint that we just installed. You'll then need to unscrew the cap on the back of the solar panel, which covers the on-off switch, the battery, the USB port, and the mode button. You can charge the panel via the USB port with the included USB-C cable. As you can see, this panel only comes with one battery. If you want to double or even triple your power, you can buy more batteries on our website, thesolarcentre.co.uk. Before you flip the on-off switch to the on position, you'll need to attach the 5-pin connector to the solar panel. The leaf panel comes with two modes, power saving mode and standard mode. You can switch between these two modes by pressing the mode button on the back of the panel. We recommend using power saving mode in the darker months, as this will preserve the energy. Once everything's set up, we'll need to screw the cap back onto the solar panel. So the light itself actually comes with the wall mount already attached. You'll need to use the included Allen keys to unscrew this if you want to use the stake instead. So this light comes with two Allen keys. We've got a big one and a small one. To remove the U bracket, we're going to need to use the small Allen key. Once the U bracket is removed from the light, you can use the larger Allen key to unscrew the wall mount. Then all you need to do is take the screw that you just removed and attach the U bracket to the stake. Again, you'll need the larger Allen key to do this. I'm just going to unscrew this for now, as it's easier to show you how the tilt function works with the wall mount. Once your light is fully assembled, you can tilt your light up or down to point in any direction that you want. At dusk, the sensor will turn on automatically and run for around 7 hours. As you can see, if I cover the solar panel, it tricks the light into thinking it's nighttime and the light turns on. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.